Ano ang sabi? Well, we did reviews about pickup trucks from JMC and GAC, pero this time, it's different. This is now from GAC. It is a crossover and it looks so striking and elegant at the same time. Ito po ang GAC GS3 M Zoom R-Style. Let's go!
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end.
Kung di pa po kayo nagsasubscribe sa channel ko, please do consider subscribing and hit that like button. Maraming salamat po. Well, I have so much admiration sa car company na to. You can see na fully invested sila dito sa bansa natin, kaya magaganda ang mga lineup na sasakyan na ino-offer nila. Kaya talaga naman, it is a brand that's worthy of your time and attention, lalo na pag on the look pa sa bagong sasakyan. And speaking of a new car, maganda talaga yung car o yung kotse na purchase mo really looks new. Para bang it looks mainstream pero different. Medyo mahirap to put it into words pero ganun siguro talaga. Medyo mahirap po na i-put into words pero siguro yun po yung gusto kong sabihin. You want something that when you see it, may gulat factor pa din. Kahit madami-dami na sila nakikita mo sa kalsada, andun pa rin yung gulat factor. Yung pakiramdam mo, it's always new, bago lagi ang dating sa mata mo. Kasi naman design aspect nitong GS3 M Zoom R-Style, mahahatak niya talaga attention mo. Well, alam naman natin, kanya-kanya po tayo ng mga gusto. It's always a subjective thing. But nevertheless, no one can deny that this SUV, it is designed really well. Tignan mo pa lang yung dating niya sa harap. It is aggressive, sporty, may mga design accents na talaga namang eye-catching. Very sharp ang DRLs niya and all LED po mga ilaw. May dating nga siya sa akin na para bang kung magkakaroon ng everyday SUV, everyday car si Batman, baka ito ang kanyang piliin. Yung front grille niya very wide at may dating siya sa akin na nakaspread out. Yung parang ang lawak, ang lapad. Para bang ang tapang at hindi nahihiya. It really has this unconventional look. At yun nga, very striking. At pagdating dito sa side profile niya, the more it looks unconventional. Di lang kasi siya simple ang dating niya. May mga design accents that make it look more interesting. It does not have the usual door handles. Ayan po, integrated po siya sa door panel. Umaangat po siya pag in-unlock nyo na yung sasakyan at paangat po siya pag papasok na kayo sa loob ng sasakyan na to. Galing nga. Yung 19-inch profile ng gulong niya, alam nyo is talagang sporty ang look niya. Ang ganda. Nangingibabaw siya. Lalo na pag umaandar siya ng mga around 30 to 40 kilometers, ang sarap niyang tignan. Lalo na po na Continental po ang tires na nilagay dito. Kaya talagang, alam nyo po yun, attacking the corners, you have confidence on that. Kaya iba talaga ang dating niya. And as you go to the back, kitang-kita yung rear spoiler niya, iba rin ang dating po eh. Iba ang design. Yung design ng rear niya, I would say it matches the front. It even has that floating roof effect, in which I'd like to mention, yes po, naka-sunroof din po to at ang laki niya. Naka-power tailgate po siya. Iba rin talaga dating pag ang sasakyan mo may ganitong feature eh. Stig. Very sharp ang look dito sa likod niya. Yung tipo ng sasakyan na medyo titignan mo ng mas matagal pag ito ang nasa harap mo at nasa traffic ka. Overall sa design niya, I can say that it is a car that adds more excitement to everyday driving. Yung alam mo na this is a car that is not just designed to take you from point A to point B. There is certainly more to it. There is that something that gets you engaged to it every time you're behind the steering wheel. Now, speaking of behind the steering wheel, pag-usapan na natin what powers the car. Ano ang engine niya? Engine niya is a 1.5 liter turbocharged. It puts out 174 horsepower at 5,500 RPM, 270 Newton meters of torque at 4,500 RPM. Kaya talagang may power na kayang i-deliver to. 7-speed wet clutch dual transmission po siya at naka-electric power steering. Now, I am not good in math, but I'm sure that the number of that horsepower, alam nyo, it's a lot for a size of this car. Ibig sabihin lang niyang, kayang-kaya niya ibigay yung comfort ng cruising speed, pag chillax driving lang ang gusto mo. But when you want to experience the excitement of this car, what it can give you, you have the Sport Plus Drive mode to do that for you. And I have no doubt on the performance and reliability of this engine. And from the way it looks and the numbers it has, this is definitely well engineered. Sa interior naman tayo, pagpasok mo may mga design accents din na makikita pagbukas agad ng pinto. Dito po lang sa door panel, ang ganda ng mga materials na ginamit all around. As in kahit saan ka tumingin, I don't see any part of this interior that looks cheap. There's the leather seats. Ayan po, may center armrest po yan sa likod. May AC vent. Yes po, vent lang, hindi S. Isa lang po siya, pero okay na rin at meron siya. May charging port. And when you look up, yun nga po, sabi ko kanina, ang laki po ng sunroof. Well, I am not a big fan of sunroofs, pero I have to say that this is really a good addition to this car. Dito sa harap, the layout is really nice. Alam niyo yung visibility factor, it's really good. Kahit na sobrang ganda ng dashboard, emphasis pa rin talaga ang visibility para sa driver. You have that clear wide view sa harap, and from the look of the dashboard, alam mo na puno ng high-tech features to. The instrument panel itself and the infotainment system are all digital at colored po yan. Ang ganda rin po ng quality ng interface nila. Ang ganda po. It's really good. The steering wheel, well, both tilt and telescopic po. Naka-flat bottom design. Andyan po yung controls niya sa magkabilang gilid sa mga iba-ibang function ng sasakyan na to. The center console looks very premium with the design of the gear selector. Andyan may center armrest din po. And the driver's seat is power adjust and it is very comfortable. It looks very neat yet modern at the same time. It is just really plain and simple, a great looking interior. Now sa mga high-tech features naman, itong top of the line na art design, it just really packs a lot of features. Umpisahan na natin sa kung ano ang meron siya sa kanyang safety features na talaga namang dito mo makikita sa variant na to. It has the advanced driver assistance systems. You have the active cruise control, automatic emergency braking, forward collision warning, traffic sign recognition system, traffic jam assist. Well, curious ako, how does it work? High beam assist, intelligent speed limit control, lane keep assist, at meron din siyang lane departure warning. In addition to that, naka-Apple CarPlay po siya. Wala po siyang Android Auto pero may Android phone mirroring, so it's okay. Wireless smartphone charger, audio-video system na ang ganda, multifunctional touchscreen, 7-inch po ang instrument cluster niya, maganda po ang audio system, at naka-Bluetooth hands-free system din po siya. And in addition to all of that, meron din po siyang hill start hold control, hill descent control, electronic parking brake, with auto hold, electronic stability program, tire pressure monitoring system, ISOFIX child tethers, at meron din siyang engine immobilizer. You know, kung meron lang po siguro akong isang napuna dito na talagang sana meron siya, paddle shifters. Para sa akin yun lang. It's so sporty. I was looking for that. Sana next time meron. At dito po sa JAC Ortigas, ito po ang pricing ng GS3 MSUM R-Style. Drop by na po kayo dito. Ang ganda po ng showroom nila para makita nyo rin po ang mga units na available na kayang i-alok ng JAC Motors. Sa pagtatapos, if you are looking for something that offers more than what is the usual, well, I will say that because what you have here is something different and it is really special. But magiging proud ka sa sarili mo kasi choosing to own this car is a choice definitely you won't regret. Ito po ang GAC GS3 MSUM R-Style. If you found some value in this video, please do consider subscribing and hit that like button. Maraming salamat po. Drive safe always. I'll see you on the next one.